Drawing algorithm. Here we are going to discuss about digital differential analysis or DDA. So suppose here the line to be plotted is having endpoints x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now, so if we are drawing the diagram, it will be somewhat like this, and the slope of this particular line will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So in order to draw this, the first step is read two endpoints. That is, the user have to supply the endpoints. Suppose say that this is on 2 and this is 5, 6, something like that. So we have given this is x1 y1, on 2 is the x1 y1 and x2 y2 is 5, 6. The second step is calculate dx and dy. Dx means x2 minus x1. So we will calculate x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. So we have calculated dx, and dy is y2 minus y1, that is 6 minus 2, 4. So let us take this some 8, something like that, then it will be more easier. So 8 minus 2, it is 6. Now we have to get the absolute dx. Absolute dx is actually the value of x2 minus x1. So it is 4, it is 6. So here we have to compare this dx, absolute dx and absolute dy. So if you are comparing it, absolute dx is 4 and absolute dy is 6. So if absolute dx is greater than absolute dy, then steps is equal to absolute dx. So steps is some integer. We are defining int step. Suppose say step is an integer. So if absolute dx is greater than absolute dy, here absolute dx is less than absolute dy, then steps is equal to absolute dy. So here the value of absolute dy, that is 6, is stored in steps. Or else if this were higher, then the value of that would have been stored in steps. So here steps is equal to 6. Now we have to find the x increment and y increment. So x increment is dx by steps. So here dx is 4. So 4 by 6. Steps is 6. And y increment is dy. Dy is 6. 6 by steps 6. 1. So we have found x increment and y increment. So in x, first we have to store x1 and y1. So first 1 and 2 are stored in, 1 is stored as x1 and 2 is stored as y1. Now 1 is stored as x, 2 is stored as y. Now plot xy. So in screen this xy will be plotted, 1, 2 will be plotted. Now x is equal to x plus x increment. So x increment here is 4 by 6. So 4 by 6. So our new x will be previous x, that is 1 plus increment 4 by 6. We get new x. Similarly, new y will be, so previous y was 2 plus y increment 6 by 6 1. Now we will get a new set of x and y. So we have to plot. So while getting this x and y, here it will be some in decimal form. So we have to round that, and after rounding of that we have to plot the new x and y. So similarly such steps will proceed, and at last we will reach the end point. So after that the last step or the 8th step is stop. So algorithm is stop. This is the line drawing algorithm.